Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to hide your phone number or your mobile number, your iPhone number on any iPhone. So first of all you go to settings here, settings, click on settings and then scroll down till you find phone. Click on phone, here phone, and then scroll down, click on show my caller ID, show my caller ID. Here is on. So to hide your number to be unknown, turn off. Now it's disabled, so it's not green, so that means you hide your phone number, your iPhone number will be hidden if you call anyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.